Hey guys, it's Alex. I just woke up like an hour ago, getting ready for work, but I wanted to show you what I eat throughout the day, give you guys some inspiration while I'm working from home. Gonna start off with breakfast. Got my yogurt, I'm gonna grab some strawberries, some granola, and then I will take you throughout the day. Let me know what you guys like to enjoy while you're working from home. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, let me know. You guys know I love being in the kitchen, so keep watching to follow along. If I'm not making a smoothie, this is what I'm gonna have. I've got some Chobani vanilla yogurt, I have some frozen strawberries, and then I also have some honey almond granola, which is a really nice touch. It gives it like a nice sweet flavor. So here is what we're gonna have for breakfast. Now for a quick snack, I'm gonna cut up a banana, add some peanut butter and some granola, super quick, super easy, and you can also eat it while you're still working, so literally just a snack break. First, just really quickly cut up the banana. Use whatever banana you'd like. I'm using a sweet one. And then grab your favorite peanut butter, whether it be crunchy or creamy. I'm grabbing creamy, and then I'm just gonna apply that to the top of the banana. And then granola, I literally put on every single thing. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some granola on top of the peanut butter and voila, we'll be done. Okay, so you guys saw my quick breakfast, my snack. I had a smoothie for lunch. I forgot to show you guys. And then for dinner, we're gonna have some butternut squash and some plant-based meatballs, my favorite. We actually have a vlog, my husband and I, on that. Last time we made it, you guys should totally check it out. I'll put it in the description box down below so you guys can see it. It is so good, such a healthy dinner, and it's so easy, like it's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and until next time, or not quick tutorial, but this quick like snack break. So until next time, até a próxima vez. Ciao, tartlets.